Hi everybody, this is Lisa with Next Up is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I am bringing you today something new. It is the Taste of Home Special Delivery Box. I subscribed to this and I received my first box yesterday, and I wanted to open it on camera with you and show you what I received. If you're interested, stay tuned. Let's break into this. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I first open it. It says happy cooking, products curated and approved by our Taste of Home test kitchen just for you. If you're happy and you know it, show it. Share your box raves, reviews, and creations anytime. And it gives me a hashtag TOH special delivery. I'm just going to share with you the things that I received, and I'm going to try to give you an idea of how much they cost, because it was not in the information that came in the box. So one of the first things that I received was this silicone spoon rest. It says that it is funky and fun. It is easy to clean and heat resistant to 500 degrees. And when I searched online, this costs about $5.50. Next up is the Joseph Elevate Ladle. You can see here, if you sit this on your counter, the ladle part will not touch the counter. And this is $10. We also had the silicone scrubby, which I really like. It is $5.99. I'm really excited about this one. This is the Clip and Drain. The Clip and Drain is $12.99, and it is marketed as a one-handle colander. So I really like that. We also have the Chop to Pot. You see, it's flexible. You can chop your vegetables or whatever you want here. You fold it and you can simply dump it into your pot or your pan. This is $19.99. I also received this serrated paring knife. This sells for about $12. And then I also received the cookbook. The cookbook sold for, I found it on Amazon for $18.96, but that was the spiral bound, and I really like the idea of a spiral bound, but this one does open up fairly flat. And then when I searched again, I found it someplace else for $20 and some change. So anywhere between $19 and $21 you can find this cookbook. So all in all, I'm still very happy about the box. When I add everything up together, it comes to $85.43. I just made some notes here about the prices of things, and like I've said before, I believe that I spent about $35 on the box. I will put the actual amount I spent somewhere in this video so that you will know how much I spent. And again, $85.43 is what all of the things that I received in the box would come to had I bought them individually. So I hope that you like this kind of video, me sharing with you this subscription box. This is the spring subscription box. I'm assuming that I will get one in the summertime. Let me know if you have subscribed to this box, and if you have, if you received the same things or if you received something different. And also let me know what you thought about the box overall. I hope you have a great day. Everyone stay safe in the midst of COVID-19. Wash your hands, sanitize. Don't go out unless you need to. And for all of those people that have to go out, the doctors and the nurses and the first responders in every way, and folks like my son who keep the IT infrastructures going, Thank you so much. Thank you. We appreciate you, and we are praying for everybody here in America and around the world. Anyway, guys, I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye.